What up, YouTube? We back at it. We signed to the shop, about to get this work in. Went to the dirt yesterday. Still got the bikes on the truck. I'm about to go ahead and go offload them at the shop once I get some work in. But yeah, man, if y'all haven't entered the 2017 red and blue custom Harley-Davidson Road King, please enter to win that joint. We still have a lot of spots left, a lot of beanies to be sold, but your time is now, man. You can literally enter this bike and have it. I'm about to ship out the Wisconsin Blue Road King, and after that, the Texas Street Glide will be up next. So following up, I would like to have the blue and red Road King settled and done so we can find this new home and see where it's headed. So if you want to enter that joint and you want to be a winner, man, go ahead and enter that, and you have your chance, man, to own that bike, get it delivered to your door in whatever city and state you at. So stay tuned and tune in. But on another note, we're about to head to the shop and get this work in so we can get the rest of these bikes out and get some more inventory, man. So stay tuned, we working. So we're back in the shop, man. I have to literally do a lot of little moving and cleaning, you already know. But it's the fact that I have to bring the dirt bikes in here. I don't want to leave them outside. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I did not feel like driving all the way to my other storage unit and putting them inside of the RV. It'll be a lot. I have to move the boat and everything else. But I'll show y'all what we got going on. So I went ahead and basically took off the front wheel. I took the exhaust off so I can get to the transmission to get that apart. Now I was gonna take the transmission and the cam cover off, but I'm gonna get that stuff to the sandblaster before I get fluid everywhere. I'm gonna go get some more cardboard and whatnot, because once I take them off, it's gonna be fluid everywhere. Give y'all a glimpse of the wheels for this thing. So these are the wheels. My boy got that 23 with the single disc front end. So now we got that. We got the back rim. Now I could have swore they both supposed to be raw or black. It really don't matter. We're gonna just get them powder coated, get them sandblasted. If I end up going a bright color, if I end up going black, I'm gonna just black them all out. But we're gonna have these things coming along. We got the 23 and the 18. This thing is gonna look amazing. It's gonna transform. So stay tuned for that. Let's see, we got the tires. But yeah, as soon as I get this stuff from the sandblaster, I'm gonna take that straight to the powder coat. Then I'm gonna take the wheels along with it so we can get everything all done at once. But yeah, man, we coming, we getting it in, we working. What up, YouTube? We back out here sliding. Looking crazy, but it's cold as hell out here. But we about to pull up to the powder coat shop, get these wheels hit. So stay tuned, we about to slide there, go to the shop, grab these parts, go to the sandblaster, and keep it on the move, man. So stay tuned, we sliding. So we just pulled back in the shop. Let's see what's going on. We got the wheels to this thing in the powder coat shop. So now we are about to go ahead and get everything else. I'm gonna take this whole load to the sandblaster, get all that stuff sandblasted. Once we get that back, we're gonna take it to the powder coat, and then we're gonna do the second load, which is gonna be that stuff with these pieces and the bars. About to do that. Like I said, y'all haven't entered to win this 2017 Road King, man. Please go and get you a SLIDN beanie. This is a one-of-a-one Road King custom done, man. You got music, seat, beat, and you got the feet. So stop playing, man. Y'all see them hoes, man. I mean, you got the tunes in there, boy. But yeah, man, y'all could be out here sliding, not hiding, man. Enter to win this joint, 2017 pink slip going straight to your door, dog. But yeah, on another note, we're about to keep getting these bikes in and get them on the road, man. So this is our 21 for the Burgundy Street Glide, the giveaway bike. Come black and contrast. We're gonna go ahead and black it out. This thing black out. It looks back new. That blackout gonna look nice and wet. We got the chrome one right there looking amazing. And we got that black looking good. So that's what we're about to have on this joint, waiting on that back wheel to come. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm trying to get this thing on its way ASAP so that thing could be just as complete as this. I'm gonna go ahead and get the bars from the house. So stay tuned, we're about to get it in, y'all. So this is something I usually don't do for the fact I'm living all the way out here in Lake Paris, then the shop is in Upland, then I gotta go there late to get my money and drop off everything. It's a long drive and a lot between there. But like I said, we gotta do what we gotta do. So I had to just come back here to literally grab all these shoes and drop them off. So now we got those. We about to drop these ones off along with them. So we got another hour drive back to the city, but it's worth it. We about to get our money. Then we're gonna head to the shop and try to get some more work in. But I dead ass been, oh, excuse my language, I've been literally waiting to get these shoes off my hand for a minute because my boy be moving around and working a lot. But about to slide back to the city and drop them off, man. So stay tuned. We sliding, getting it in. What up, YouTube? We back out here working. I just went ahead and I was supposed to do this guy brakes. I just pulled up on him. So basically, he got these super long studs and he cannot find the socket, and that just set the whole job back. So I'm gonna let him deal with that and try to get that figured out. I'll probably do them brakes later on another day. But I just went and got another big bag of shoes, so we got that locked and loaded. I'm about to go ahead and meet this one dude for these other two pairs from yesterday. Then I'm about to head to the powder coat shop, go check on these rims I dropped off. Hopefully they done and we can hit the tire shop, get the tires put on, install the rotors, and so let's try to get it all in, man. So stay tuned. Yes sir, got that candy blue. Look good. About to get these to the tire shop, get them tires installed. This thing look good. Somebody else got that red. We're going with that candy blue. That color. Good. So the wheels came out super dope. They are super wet, super clean. That's why I love powder coat stuff, man, for real. But about to go ahead and slide to the shop. I'm about to grab the tires, go straight to the tire shop while it's early so I can get in and out. Once we do that, we're gonna go ahead and go back to the shop and get the range and everything else. So stay tuned, man. We're about to get it in and keep this bike rolling. It's crazy how it's changing up that fast. So we are back in the shop, man. About to go ahead and grab these good new tires right here. Got that good 23 and we got that good 18. So we're about to roll these out, get these to the tire shop. When we get back, we're gonna get to busting this bike down and working on these other ones too, man. So stay tuned, y'all. We sliding. Now we got our tires. You already know we about to head to MC Tire Works, one of the best people to get the job done. A lot of people could put the tires on, but they gonna mount and balance it and make sure everything is good to go. So y'all already know where we sliding to, man. But yeah, stay tuned. Pulling up the low meter tires. That blue looks so good. It's crazy. Shit looks dope. Good tire shop, man. You see? Shit looks dope. Yes, sir. Come here. So we're just now leaving the tire shop. Shout out to the guys at MC Tire Works. They did a good ass job. We got the wheels balanced, fresh new tires on there, ready to go. Quick and easy, no problem, in and out. So now we are on our way back to the shop to get everything arranged for the bike. So stay tuned. Probably gotta hit the powder coat shop after getting the rest of them parts off, but we sliding and we working, man. So stay tuned. This look good. There you go, baby boy. So we're back in the shop, man. Let's pull it up. We got the wheels. Dark in here. Y'all see what's going on, baby boy. This thing's about to look amazing on this bike. Big 23, big 18. I'm not putting these wheels on this bike until all that red stuff is completely off. But until then, y'all see what's going on. What's going on, man? So yeah, about to get it in. Got them things looking good. So I just got the phone with Antonio. I'm about to go take the paint to him. We're gonna get that to him. I'm gonna go check on the seat for the Road King back there. Now we got that. We took the Road King wraparound to the painter yesterday, to this other guy who's doing the Ruby Roadglide wraparound. I got him doing the black wraparound for this bike, because I don't want to overload Antonio with the burgundy paint and this paint set. So now we got all that under control. We got the other pieces in the sandblaster. I'm going to take some more pieces today and hit the powder coat shop so everything could get on the road. And we working, man. So once I do all the moving around, I'm going to come back to the shop and get some work in. But I'm trying to get everything where it needs to be so it could all work out smooth. But we working, man. We sliding. Y'all see what's going on, baby. Now that we got all that done, we're gonna add these to the other pieces. I'm about to get to the sandblaster tomorrow. So I'm gonna put all this inside so we can get that up off of there. These wheels look so damn good. It's amazing. It's crazy, man. These things look good. Maybe black. But yeah, we got all the paint ready to go. So I'm about to load up the truck, man. Get to this paint shop before they close. So we got everything loaded up. In and out of fairing, side panels, bags, wraparound gas tank, all the accessories. So let's slide to this paint shop. Yeah, it's only got 4. 1, 2, yeah, we're right, only 4.
So clear, it's more better for me.
Definitely. 1, 2, oh, tripping. Yeah, that's A1. My boy Antonio got the new shop booming. So we pulling off from Antonio's shop. About to go ahead and head back to the shop, try to get some work done. So stay tuned. We sliding, we working. Y'all see what's going on, man.